Hello students, our today's topic is understanding elementary shapes. In this session, first of all, we will be taking line and line segments. A line is a breadthless length and a line has only length but it has no endpoints. A line has indefinite length. So we represent line as L. A line has two arrows at its both ends. It means the line is endless. Now we come to line segment. The part of a line having definite length is called line segment. Line segment has two endpoints. This is a line segment AB. A and B are its endpoints and its length is definite. Length of a line segment is definite. Means its line, the length of a line segment can be measured. Now, measuring of line segments. Measuring of line segment. We can measure the length of line segment in many ways. The first one is comparison of two line segments. Comparison of two line segments. First we will draw two line segments AB and CD. Now we comparison of two line segments. We can compare the length of two line segments by various methods. Suppose we have two line segments AB and CD. Methods of comparison of lengths of two line segments. The first one is comparison by observation. We can just observe the two line segments AB and CD and can tell which line segment is longer and which one is smaller. Here we clearly see that the line segment AB is less than the line segment CD. The second method is comparison by tracing. We will draw two line segments AB and CD of different lengths. To compare their lengths, we use a tracing paper. Trace CD and place the traced segment on AB. We find that the length of CD is less than the length of line segment AB, or we can say length of line segment AB is greater than length of line segment CD. Now the third method is comparison using ruler and divider. Students, you very well know the instruments divider and ruler which is present in our mathematical instrument box. We take a ruler and a divider and put the divider on given line segment and open it up to the ends of the line segment. Then put this divider on the 0 mark of the scale and take the length of the line segment as shown here. Here AB is a line segment. We put the divider in this situation. Then we take away the divider from this position and put this divider on the scale. This is the 0 mark of the scale. The divider is opened equal to the length of the line segment. B is the other end of the line segment. So we can take the length of the line segment AB from the reading of the scale. In this way, we can compare the lengths of two line segments. Thank you, students.